I have reviewed both resumes. Let's make sure we create a comfortable environment for each candidate. It's important to see their true potential. Yeah, sure. I'll ask a few technical questions, but let's keep it quick. Busy day ahead. Good morning. Welcome. Please have a seat. Thank you for having me. I have done some research about the company and I'm really excited about the opportunity to contribute to your team. It seems like you have really done your homework. That's a great sign of initiative. Good morning. Welcome and please have a seat. We're excited to learn more about you. Sure. I'm saw this job opening last week. I haven't had much time to prepare, but I'm really interested. So, what exactly drew you to this role? I don't really know much about the role yet. It's clear that preparation makes all the difference. The first candidate showed interest and respect for the process, which is what we want. True, but we also need to be mindful of creating a positive environment for the candidates. Maybe we could have done more to make the second candidate feel at ease. Absolutely. It's a two-way street. We need to foster professionalism from both sides.